Right, this is the engine that's going in my COE. It's Om606, it's going to be a super turbo diesel. Big fuck off turbo. I've got a Dieselmeken, if that's how you pronounce it, pump to go on it. Pumping turbo in on it at the minute because I'm fucking still pissed about this thing here. What an absolute cock sniffer. Measuring, basically trying to work out clearance of this fucking engine. From there to there, ignoring the big turbo snail that goes on here, I've got fuck all room because this wants to be slammed on the floor. It's about 2 meters approximately from the top to the bottom, and to get in the garage is about 2 meters. But kind of what I want to do is when this is aired out, I want at least like 10mm bump stop on it, so if it slams out on the fucking motorway or something, at least I can still like coast it to the side rather than it smashing into the fucking floor and causing a pile up, killing lots of innocent women and children. Anyway, enough about that. Clearance wise, fucking you can see where the front of my thing's going to be. I've got no room for the engine because it's a cab over, and the problem is the height of that, measuring from this sexy piece of tin work here. There's going to be another 20mm on there because I'm going to have basically a bar that goes all the way around and run to the back to put some kind of nice, what they call them, like not steps, running boards. So from about here to there is not going to fit that engine in, and I know I've got this huge gap here. However, the length of the engine, by the time I took a radiator into consideration, because obviously it sits about here, you're going to have at least 2 inch of radiator, I would have thought. So that'll get me to about here with the engine. I mean, it's a 6-cylinder, so I'm going to probably have to chop out this bit here. Something I didn't really want to do, to be honest, but fuck knows, I need to split that beast in.